Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Beauty by FA. And if this is your first time stopping by, you're very welcome. So hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, you're very welcome. And also hit the notification bell so that way you get notifications when I upload videos, so you don't miss any videos from me. So from the name of this video, you know what this video is all about. It's the Blackup review on the products I got from Gratis yesterday, and I was so happy. I was super excited, and I was like, I would love to share with my subscribers, my viewers, you know, the products and what I think about them, which I know I already love them already, because in the training of the Blackup yesterday we swatched them and it was really lovely. So I know my face is already done because I just did a video earlier, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the areas where I'm gonna apply the product I'll be showcasing to you. I got 3 products. I got the Jennie Jenkins, I'm bad with pronunciation, but Jennie Jenkins highlighting palette. And I also got Blackup lip gloss, and I also got a eye pencil. So I know I already did my face. I forgot that I'll be using like the highlighter. My bad, guys. But the first one I'll be showcasing is the lip gloss, and I got this color in GNT02. I'm loving this shade already. It's like a pink color. I'm gonna swatch this on my hand so you guys can see. Ooh, this is pretty. So let's apply this on our lips and see. It's a glossy liquid lip color. Oh. I also love the color. I feel like adding more because I just wanted to, like, you know. It's pretty. Yeah, just found me my favorite lip color. Okay, so the next thing I got was the Blackup No Transfer Waterproof Smoky Kohl Pencil. Here we go. I didn't really do like a classic eyeliner. I used the for pencil and I smoked it out. So I'm using this over it and see, you know, what we have. But I'll swatch it on my end first. It glides on smoothly, is creamy, and it's easy to like blend. So I'll leave this to set. I just want to see if it's something that comes up easily or not. It said no transfer, so let's see. So one thing I didn't do was like my waterline, so I'll use this on my waterline and see. So I would go and use this and just draw like a liner, you know, and see what we have. Just put it over what I have earlier. It's really black. Like the color is dark. It's like a traditional black color. So let's see the one that we applied on our hand. Let's try and see if it's gonna, like, you know, transfer. Oh, guys, look, it's not, and it's actually not moving anywhere. Wow, that's good. So that is like, it's waterproof. I'm gonna try and touch the lipstick. Guys, I mistakenly touched the lipstick, and like I said, the lipstick is not moving too. It's just like a stain. Just look at this. I'm gonna try and clean it on my lips. Let me because it's on my hand. Oh my god, guys. Like, look at this. Then I mean, it's coming off, but after blending it is still there. So this is like what you can use to eat, you know, have this on your lip, go have some lunch, some dinner, and it's still there. I love those 2 products. The next one is the one we all have been raving about. We all I love with the product, and it's the highlighting palette. So I'll bring this out, and we have this. I was swatching this on my hand so you guys can see what we have. I'll start with this color here and use the side. I'll probably use the back of my hand. Oh, that's pretty and pigmented also. I'll go ahead and use this one. Oh, these colors are pretty and they are pigmented. Oh, I love this one. These colors are pretty. I think I love this color most. I'm gonna apply that on my Cupid's bow. I wish I can apply this on my cheekbone, but I just already have one. I don't want to mess up my makeup, but I think I just have to. You know, let me just see if I can take it away a little bit. I'm fixing it.
Yeah, also we can fix a messed up makeup.
The concealer I use, I like saying just like on the cheekbone. Here, just work with us. So I'll go back and use the highlighter, the same one. I'll use that on my cheekbone, and let's see what it's gonna give us. Oh my god, I'm alive. I'm just like, oh my god, guys. A little of this go a long way. I already messed that up, but we'll fix it as usual. Yeah, a little go a long way. This is pretty. Alright, now I need to fix this. I didn't know what to do, but oh, too much. I think it's better. So I just go by it and go with the brush. You know, with that, I know I have something on my nose. I don't want to mess that up. I'll just go over my nose a little bit because I know the one on my nose is like just, it's not really bright. And just like pat that in. I'm gonna like try and apply it on my forehead and just lightly, because now I know you don't want to be messing around with this highlight because it's pigmented. Just slightly. Alright, so that is it for this Blackup video. I love the 3 products. They are pretty, they're awesome. I give it 10 over 10. You should get your hands on them. If you've not had them, you can get your hands on this. This is really pretty, and the highlight is also really pretty. Like, I love them. This side is better and it's pretty. And also the liquid eye crayon is good. You can use this for like your eyeliner. You can also smudge this if you want to. You can also use it on your waterline, and it's waterproof. It doesn't transfer. So what can't you love about this? Like, you just have to, like, you know, you just end up loving everything because it's super wholesome. So that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you love this video, and if you've not subscribed, I'm just gonna wait for you to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing, because you just have to be one of our family. And also, do you remember to hit the notification bell? It's that bell, that way you get notifications when I upload videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you've not already. Know that I love you, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. So until my next one, stay beautiful always.